Today we got the Samsung A71 and this device has no sound. I'm going to ringtone over the horizon. There is no sound. The volume is up. So let's open this device and let's see what's causing this problem. We need a suction cup to remove the back. The back is made from plastic. We need to remove it. Sometimes maybe we need some alcohol. The alcohol make the adhesive soft, and then we can lift and remove the back. You can use any cards. You can use any cards of playing. I'm using cards of screen protectors for iPhone, and these protectors are good. You can see I'm trying to make a gap so we can go inside. We need a gap. Once we get the gap, it will be easy to be opened. I'm still pushing with my nails and then I will insert something. These cards came from screen for iPhones and Samsung screens itself LCD. The name of it is KBS. So I made the gap now. You see, I'm putting some alcohol. Once the gap has been done, it will be easy to remove the back. This device, it's the first time being opened. That's why it takes somehow practice or experience or maybe time to open it. It doesn't matter. With patience you can do anything. Don't push the cards in the middle. Just go all over the edges. As you can see how I am pushing, not putting the card inside too much. You have to see whatever under it. Look, if there is nothing, you can go. I don't know while I'm talking, my breath is not good. I need to take a breath. It's like exhausted. Why? I don't know. I'm not a talky person. Maybe that's why. I'm taking my breath. Maybe you can hear that. Do it as a knife. Okay, it's being removed. Let's now remove all the screws. There is nothing to be damaged when you remove the back. Okay. Remove all screws. After that, we need to remove the SIM card tray, and this is very important because we are going now to separate the housing from the frame. We have two layers. You can see we detach that using our nails. You can use any plastic pieces. It's better than the metal. Alright, there is no sensor for the fingerprint, so you just can remove it. This is the loudspeaker that we are looking into it. I'm going to remove it now and see while this speaker is not working. The customer told me after drop to ground, consider subscribing. After drop to ground, it got damaged. Okay, we can see that the pads are broken, so we are going to fix that. I start putting this what is it, mask, this mask, so we can make them hard and then we can put a jumper or solder them. It's easy to be done. I don't know what I miss, but when I start soldering the what I said it is. Anyway, I'm putting the UV. It's UV mask. The UV mask has been broken. It seems solid, but it wasn't solid. We just need to make a wire, or you can just putting some soldering, and that's it. I'm also putting here some mask, so I can run the wire from that point to that point. UV mask for 30 minutes, 30 seconds. Okay. This job isn't that hard. If you don't want to make this job, you can just replace it, and that's it. You can get rid of the hard work. I just try to fix that. If the loudspeaker is good, so I keep it. If it's not good, I replace it. It depends on the loudspeaker when we fix it. It's just two lines. It's just positive and negative. Fix this, connect them, and that's it. There's no much further assistant or further work you need. Scratch the line from here and here and to their point. I don't know why I couldn't that time. I should stick these pads with some sticker so they're not moving. Maybe I was in hurry. I having too much work then. I don't know. I don't remember. I'm not making a real video. This video at least has been captured 3 weeks ago. I can't montage all my video on the same day. I have another work. They need time. You have to montage and then you have to do the voiceover. That's not easy. You can see how I make a bridge. If I do it now, I would change my method. I maybe put some wire there to make it good and make it solid forever, and this will not ever be broken again. I'm not gonna lie to you. The customer returned after 2 days and told me the loudspeaker has been stopped again. So I opened it again and put a wire, a good wire, a thick wire, not 3mm wire, a thick one. I don't know the size of it, but it was thick and it was very solid. You need to somehow to push hard to cut that. I don't know why it has been cut or broke. It has been broke again. I don't know why, but this UV mask should solve this problem for me, but unfortunately it wasn't. Anyway, we have here fixed this problem, and now we are going to assemble and see the operation. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can just leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support our channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.
تحسب للحلقات